Hi, Gus. Are you cold or tired, maybe a little bit sad this morning?
Yeah.
Would you feel better if you had hot cocoa?
Yeah!
Hot cocoa is this new magical drink. This magical drink is sweet and delicious, and it'll also warm and cheer you up as well. You want to try some?
Yeah!
Here you go.
That tastes delicious.
I know.
And now I feel great.
Yes, I know you do. I feel great too. Don't believe us? Well, watch this.
I'm tired in the morning.
This morning, yeah, definitely was.
Would hot cocoa make it better?
Yeah, I think it would.
Would it be even better if you had toppings like marshmallows and whipped cream?
That sounds delicious.
You cold or tired this Monday morning?
Both.
Both, okay? Would you feel better if you had hot cocoa?
Yes.
What if you had delicious toppings like marshmallows or whipped cream?
Affirmative.
Affirmative. Very well. Thanks for your time, Mr. Lincoln.
Negatory.
Cold and sad. I forgot my homework again if my mom finds out. She's not going to be happy. It's also 30 degrees outside. I wish I had something nice and warm to cheer me up.
Well, I have hot cocoa. Do you want some?
Yeah, what's hot cocoa?
It's a chocolatey drink that will make you happy and give you the strength you need to power through the morning.
Yes!
Here, try some.
Hot cocoa. It's so delicious. Oh well, it's time for class. Oh, hi, Bob. Wait, what? The homework wasn't due today? Yes! Thank you, Hot Cocoa. You're my best friend.
Isn't that 5 Hour Energy?
Hannah Rollins, and I approve this message.